Hey guys, so today I'm taking a look at the KYY 15.6 inch portable travel monitor. This thing is built for people who want a legit second screen anywhere. So let's open up the box and see how it works. Some of the instructions, paperwork. Here's the device itself. So you get your USB-C to USB-C connector and your HDMI cable. Here's another USB-C to USB-A cable, partly for the power. And then, here is the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, gaming on the go, or just want more screen space, then the KYY portable monitor delivers. First off, the display. You're getting a 1080p Full HD IPS panel with HDR support. And honestly, the picture quality is better than I expected. Colors look clean, the contrast pops, and the 178-degree viewing angle means you don't have to sit perfectly centered to enjoy it. It also weighs just 1.67 pounds, and it's 0.23 inches thick. So it's thin enough to slide into a backpack without adding bulk. And if you're someone who stares at screens all day, the low blue light eye protection is a nice touch that helps with fatigue during long sessions. One of the standout upgrades is the new one-to-one button design. Instead of digging through menus with a tiny track wheel, with this you just tap the plus or minus buttons to adjust the brightness or volume instantly. So when you're watching a video or gaming, having easy-to-use controls can make a big difference. It also comes with a built-in 2-in-1 stand that can adjust to up to 180 degrees. And it supports both horizontal and vertical setups. This means you can use it like a traditional monitor, or you can flip it upright for reading or coding, or you can just angle it however you want. It's way more flexible than the usual folio-style covers that can easily collapse. Connectivity is also solid. You get 2 full-function USB-C ports and a mini HDMI port. So it works with laptops, phones, PCs, and game consoles. This connection method helps to keep the cables hidden and maintains a clean and organized desktop setup. And if your device has a full-function USB-C port that supports video output, then it's literally just plug and play with one cable and no apps or drivers needed. And if your device doesn't support video over USB-C, then you can still use HDMI with an adapter. And you can also plug in an audio device. And the audio off the device itself sounds loud and clear.
Oh my God. And they need the card because he's got some knowledge on the subject to go check this out. So they pull up the command, and then they...
So if you're someone who wants a lightweight, reliable second screen without spending a fortune, then you guys definitely need to check out the KYY portable travel monitor today. And you guys can find out more about it in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.